Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Vedic Mathematics 1. It's a VAC course. It's for semester 1 to 4. The maximum duration is 1 hour and maximum answer is 30. Guys, remember to read all the instructions before attempting the question paper. Okay. So here's the question number 1. Attempt 24 following. Okay. So here are the 5 questions. You can take a screenshot. It's very difficult to read such words. It will take you time. You can just take a screenshot or pause the video. Okay. As for what we name the sutra, which means one by one. Here's the question number 2. A part. A fruit seller had 432 boxes of apples on 10 January. On that day, he sold one fourth of the boxes at the rate of rupees 18 per box. On 11 January, he sold 96 boxes at the rate of rupees 16 per box. On 12 January, he sold the remaining stock at the rate of rupees 14 per box. Using Vedic mathematics methods, calculate the sale on each day and the overall sale. As for question number, as for part B, solve the following. Then again, you guys can just see this on screen. And for question number 3, complete the following table with Bodhaya numbers on of the respective angles. Okay, here's the table you can see on the screen. Then for part B, solve the following. Here's the two equations you can see on the screen. Okay, you can solve them easy. Question number 4. Explain the concept of Bodhaya syllabus sutra for finding the value of the square root 2. And for part B, solve the following. Here's the two. You can solve them easily. Okay, it's on the screen. And the second part, factorize the quadratic equation. You can easily solve this. Okay. Thank you. If you guys want any other PYQs of any other subject, do mention them in the comments. I will post them as soon as I can. And subscribe to my channel for more DU content and stuff. Bye for now.